Hello. In this video, I will tell how you can download and install Ant Media Server with a single command. First, we need to get in Media Server, installation script, and give it execution access. Now we have the installation script. If you run installation secret without any parameters, then it will download and install Community Edition. If you pass your license key with L flag, then it will download and install Enterprise Edition. Let's install Enterprise Edition with my license key. If you don't have any license key, you can get a license key from atmedia.io website. It is installed. Now we can connect our server management panel with HTTP and 5080 port. Let's connect to the server. Since this is the first login, then we should create our credentials. Now we can log into the server dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.